issued a special marine warning for Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, Volusia-Brevard County Line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia-Brevard County Line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were developing over the mainland near Vero Lake Estates, or near Sebastian Highlands, moving northeast at 15 knots. Additional storms will develop over the Basin Treasure coasts through this evening and move across the intracoastal and nearshore Atlantic waters. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Sebastian Highlands, North Beach, Sebastian Inlet State Park and Roseland. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.